Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the 4-hour time frame, mostly because of the dollar index analysis, I still am pretty bearish on this pair. It was not able, or it didn't break structure to the upside. So, there is a chance that this actually just keeps on drifting down, especially because this looks like a possible three-way pullback right here, especially on a little bit of a higher time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame now, there is definitely a chance that this is all just like an ABC or a WXY corrective pattern to the last impulsive move up, and it goes down to a Fibonacci level and continues the uptrend. So what you do in this circumstance is Fibonacci extension is definitely going to be your best friend. You measure what is either a wave A or a wave 1, projected off the top of what is either a wave B or a wave 2. Now, if this is a corrective pattern, it would probably go down to around the 100% Fibonacci extension of A or 1, and then the 61% Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up, and then you would get a break of structure to the upside, proving that it is a wave C and that it is going back up. On the other hand, if it's not a wave C, it would still probably bounce from these Fibonacci levels, but it would not make that break of structure, but instead it would continue to make lower lows, lower highs, because that's the price action you would expect to see in a wave 3. So, like I said, Fibonacci extension in these circumstances, when you're trying to figure out whether you're looking at a C or a 3, is definitely your best friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.